Hello guys, here's one Union Pacific logo. Just want a little SD40-2, and you don't want to know what it's gonna lead. It's gonna lead some oh my goodness. No, that's 3,000 feet. You know, I'm gonna count, okay? I really need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so guys, that's 54. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. This is getting so realistic. Oh wait, it can't fit. What was it like? 80, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. I'm just, gonna give it one more shot. That's all led by one little SD40-2. Okay. Oh, I didn't tell you about this one, did I? This one's even longer. I don't want to count this one. This one's gonna... Woo! It's still going. I bet you'll sing wow, won't you? I did make it wrong. And then add 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the back, and there's this one though. What was it? Oh yeah, I want this right. One, 2, 3, 4. I don't even count. Can I just drive this train? Okay, where do I say save? Do you wish to save and start driver? Stay. Okay, I saved it. Yeah, we can start a driver. Wait, didn't he say start your driver? Well, okay. Safe. Okay, we're going to CO Airport. Oh no, I just told you. Doesn't matter. I'm fine. CO Airport, so cool. Consist mode. Okay, so I can... Oh, what? No, I want to drive. How did I do this last time? Okay, there was no picture. I guess it's to 6. I'm always like right next to a crossing and there's a couple tangles. I don't know why staying me. I should stuck in my head with being a self mash. Drive to Exco Oil Line. Now drive to the crude. Use some necessary. Why is it doing that? Why does it smell? It's maybe nothing. Why does it smell? On the way, let's have a look at information. Right click. It's like, just like an SD70L. As you are aware, how to change the code. Don't care. So what did it tell us? Didn't it say like go down? Incomplete. You went through the oil tank. Oh, it says reverse the train. Bam! Right through the broken switch. Train me! I know it's a train tracks. Okay, still be able to drive another train. There's nothing in Sunset Station. Could there be anything in the rail yard? Nothing in the rail yard. Could there be anything in Hey, there's a train. Ha 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 ha. A derailed train. I was looking in the way. I'll be late one day. Goodbye. Night trip. Mariah's. I was walking in the lab one night, ding ding on my eye, thinking at any sight. Where's my pianist F F F F? Pianist F F F F. Where's my pianist F F? Thanks for watching this awesome.